Let's have a little commotion for the hair, okay? Because yes, yes, and yes. With another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now this is round 2, okay? I tried to film this before, something happened, I'm not sure, but we back, okay? And we're gonna get it right this time. So this unit is going to be brought to you by the company MyFirstWig. Of course, I'm gonna make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. I will be showcasing a bob to you all. Now, I do still have a little bit of footage from the unboxing so I can show you guys what it looks like straight out of the box. I did end up doing a few things to it, nothing really, but I am going to tell you what I did. But first, let's talk about the details of the bob, okay? Because it's a nice little shorty. You can tell it looks layered and everything. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is their layered pixie cut bob wig with the side swept bang. It is 10 inches in length. It is also a silky texture, and it does have a 13x6 lace front area. This one is also a natural black hair color, and I have a cap size 1. Now I'm going to show you guys what the parting space area looks like. Unit, you do get your 13x6 area. You do get your pre-bleached knots, your pre-plucked hairline, and also your pre-cut lace. You do have 2 combs on the side, and the good thing about these combs is that they are removable. Love that, because I never use the combs on the side, so it's nice to have them out of the way because sometimes they can still end up hurting the side area. So to be able to remove them is perfect for me. You get a removable comb in the nape area, you get your adjustable straps, you get a drawstring, and you get your removable adjustable elastic band. And it does come as a left side part. You're not gonna have to go in and do any tinting, totally gonna be up to you, but you can see how well it blends into my skin. Now I'm going to show you guys what the parting space looked like before I did anything to it, because I did end up rewashing this unit because I did go through the whole steps of installing it before I realized my footage was messed up. But I just kind of moved my parting space over just a little bit. I really didn't do anything else to it. And then the only other thing I did was go ahead and cut on the sides where the 13x6 is, because you guys know with 13x6 it always ends up going over my ear, and so I end up cutting a little bit above my ear so that it can sit perfectly. Other than that, I did not do anything else to it, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and place this unit on so you guys can see what it looks like before we get to installing this unit. Is what it is looking like on, and y'all look how good this lace looks. I'm trying to pull it up a little bit, but look how good this lace is looking. Like, you can't even tell where it starts at. I think they did a very, very good job when it comes to the lace and also plucking out this hairline. The Swiss part just blends in really well to my skin that I didn't have to go in and do anything extra. Now, like I said, it does come as a left side part. I just moved my parting over a very, very little bit. It was more straight, and I just kind of curved it right here because I wanted the bang to fall a certain way, and that's why I moved it over. And I did let you guys know that I ended up washing this unit. So this is after a fresh wash. It looks good straight out of the box, but now I can tell y'all I washed it, okay? And like I said, you can see the layers throughout this unit. So once I, you know, add my curls in, do a little flick of the wrist, I already know it's going to look good. And then this is what it is looking like with the lace sitting above my ear. It looks very, very natural. Now, I thought I was going to be worried a little bit about the silky texture, but it's actually very lightweight. I think this is 130% in density. Like I said, I'm going to make sure to leave all the specs. And yeah, so far, so good. I actually love this length, especially for the summertime. This is just this is just going to look so good, especially because it's going with this heat, okay? Because it's about to get hot and we want the hair up off our necks a little bit. I don't mind doing some long hair, don't care sometimes, but a nice little bob will never steer you wrong. So because I don't really have much to talk about when it comes to this unit, oh, let me show you guys the parting space. If you wanted to part this in the middle, yes you can, it looks like scalp. And if you wanted to part this on the right side, you can. But if we want to keep the bangs and style it the way it looks on the website, then you might want to keep it as the left side part. And yes, you can cut some bangs if you go on the right side. Yes, I know that. But I'm going to be showcasing what it looks like straight. But I'm going to style it the way it looks on the website, or close to. Because I don't know if I'm going to get it exactly right. But close enough to where you guys will see, you know, the potential in what it could look like. So let's go ahead and get to installing this unit. And then of course I'll be back to show you guys the final looks and to also tell you guys my final thoughts when it comes to this bob unit. Have a little commotion for the hair, okay? Because yes, yes, and yes. If you are looking for something that's beginner friendly, that's not going to break the bank, but also going to look super natural, then you might want to check this out, because look at that. Look at that. That looks so good. Okay, let's talk about this install, which did not take me any time at all. I went in with a little bit of my Got To Be spray, and then I dried everything down. I put some of my olive oil mousse around the front of the hairline, tied it down, let it dry, and then I ended up working on the hair. Now this hair, like I said, is layered. When I turn around, and I'm going to show y'all again in case you just skip past that part or you missed it, the layers in the back of this unit, it looks so good. And if you wanted to, you can kind of curl it just a little bit tighter if you really wanted to show out. I did not curl mine as tight. I just did like a slight bump. And when I move the hair, it just looks so good. I really don't have any complaints. Like, that's how good it looks. I did a slight bump under, and then you guys know that I moved some of the parting space over, and I wanted to mimic the model on the website as much as I could, but still put my own style on it. So I ended up moving some hair right here to kind of not show the parting too much. And then I did have to trim some of the hair down in the front, because like I said, I was trying to mimic it as close as I could. And I feel like I did a really good job. Could I have chopped a little bit more hair down? I probably could have, but I decided to not do that. I also wanted to make sure that over here looked very natural, because on the website, she has hers tucked behind her ear. And then I ended up just keeping a little bit of wispy hair out on the side. I trimmed it down some, put a little bit of my wax just to kind of have it in place. I didn't want to curl it or anything because I want the focus to be the hairline, but also how good it looks when you decide to tuck it. Now, of course, if you're not a fan of tucking it, you can definitely, you know, pull it back, but just look how natural that looks. Didn't have to put any powder into the parting space. I did not have to put any tint spray around the front of the hairline. This just melts and blends to my skin so well. Love that I didn't really have to utilize the parting space, but because they plucked it out so well in the front, you can still tell that it's going to look good. Now, can you move this over to the other side? You know, I'm used to showing you guys a middle and a side part, but I'm going to keep the style the way it is because I want you guys to focus on the way it looks right now. You can do different styles if you choose to. If you are not a fan of having that hair in your face, you can just kind of move it out of the way. I got a little bit of wispies right here. You can just move it out of the way so it's not sitting so much in your eye, especially if you're going to be wearing lashes and you want to kind of get it out of your eye. And now I got hair in my face. Let me get this out of my face first. You can even move it to the side and it's really going to show off that hairline even more. The density on this is very, very realistic. I love the density. It feels very light. You guys know I'm a yucky texture girl, but I am not mad at this silky texture at all. Depending on the look you want, you can either put the bang in your face or just move it out of the way. I like both looks. I think the bang is just a little bit more sophisticated. You could dress it up a little bit more, and if you move it out of the way, it kind of gives natural everyday. But both looks are fine to me. Let me know what you guys think about this length. I love that it is not too much. It's sitting perfectly in the nape area as far as shedding and tangling goes. I got a little bit of shedding, but that's because I did go in the front and trim some of the hair down. Before I did that, I really wasn't getting any shedding and snags. I really don't expect that to happen. Maybe in the nape area, you are going to have some TLC, and I feel like that's with all units. But this one is going to be very easy for you to maintain and take care of. It's not going to require a lot. You can trim the bangs to your liking. You can leave it alone if you want to. It should totally be up to you and how you want to rock this unit. But I'm all for it, okay? I didn't mess with and messed up the style, but I'm all for it, okay? Definitely one I would say add to cart, especially for the summertime. Or if you're just a bob girl and you want something that's going to look very natural, add to cart. You can't go wrong with it. But let me know what you guys think about this unit if you are feeling this one. I am going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.